Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today and welcome to the Gentleman Crafters October 2019 Inspirational Blog Hop. I am stamping with Ian and we're going to be making this. This is beautiful, is it not? I've kind of snuck an idea from the catalogue but then just tweaked it a little bit, as you do. It's got a stamped envelope as well. There we go, can you see that? Lovely. And what I'm using is the Free as a Bird stamp set with the stitched nested label dies and our stitched shape dies, and this is the largest of the circle dies. So, the carded envelope, I'm going to my little pretty tin here. Is this adorable? This comes with the Bird Ballad Suite. It's included, and it's a set of laser cut cards, you can see, together with a matching envelope. Okay. Really, really beautiful. So we'll get that out. Let's do my die cutting first, get that out of the way. So I've got my big shot at the side of me. And we'll do the DSP first. And I'm going to put it kind of over there like that. So I'll get some flowers and the beautiful bird as well, yeah? So I'll just line it up on my die cutting machine. Put an acrylic plate on top of it. No, that's a bit off. There we go. Sometimes when you put your top plate on, the die moves a little bit. So, yeah. Apologies if the camera is shaking. So, there we go. There's our die cut piece. Put that somewhere safe. We'll do a bit of stamping while we're here. I've got Full Party, cardstock and ink. And the sentiment is thank you, because these are going to be my customer thank you cards for this month. So I'll just bang that on top somewhere. Let the ink soak in. Lovely, love it. Give it a waft. Put the die on top and back to our die cutting machine. Excuse me, I'm a little bit sniffly today. I do apologise. Don't you hate it when you try and put a die on your magnetic cutting plate and it moves randomly? Oh dear me. Oh, I've got it, don't move. Oh dear me. What is it like, eh? Right, and off we go. Right. That's our die safe. And the cardstock seems to have wedged itself on the bottom cutting plate. There we go. Lift it up, and there's our sentiment. I'll just hold it up close for you. There you go, very pretty. Right, first thing I'm going to do is I've got some of this very vanilla lace trim, very, very gorgeous. I'm going to cut a bit off, like so. Get some snail, lob it on the back, kind of a third the way down, and okay, put the glue in the wrong place. Oh dear me, what am I like, eh? Right, let's try this again. Yeah, that's the top. Dear me. So bang that on there, wrap it round, and affix to the other bit of snail. Yeah, I like that. Oops, try not to stick it up. I should have used my silicone mat, shouldn't I? Then we have our sentiment, which I'm going to blang on some bang on a couple of dimensionals, like so. Take off your backings in the bin, and I'm going to put it, I can't grab anything today, kind of in the middle, but a little bit above the lace level, just to one side. Oh, love, love, love. Now, we're going to add some vellum to this, kind of behind it, like that. 5.5. 5.5 by 4.25. Right. So I've got some vellum here somewhere. There we go. This is from the Perennial Essence Suite, and it's So Saffron. It's not a colour that's in the Bird Ballad paper, DSP, but it does coordinate quite nicely. So, is that the right? So I just need to trim a bit off the long end. So where's my trim at? Right, so 5.5. Did it a little bit before. And then I've got a fine tip glue bottle here, and I'm just going to go around the edge of the card, not the vellum, because I know exactly where it is, you see. So it will come out, won't you? Here we go, kind of. Nice thin bead all the way around. Lovely. Get your vellum. And place it on top, making sure it's level everywhere. Just go over with, make sure there's no air bubbles. Beautiful. Put some glue there. Don't want my card sticking to it, do I? Right, okay. Very pretty indeed. Let's just burnish this. Okay. And now we're going to attach this circle to the top. So I should use snail for this. Okay, lovely. And then put it just about there. And there we have the card. So, envelope needs a little bit of stamping. So we've got a bird here, pool party ink again, tap, 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 tappity tap, and slap it in the middle, beautiful, and then once again, tap, tap, tappity tap, and in the corner, beautiful, love it, love it. So that's the one we've just made. There's the one I made earlier. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you don't already please, and ring the bell, ding 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 ding, and you'll always know when there's a new project for you to watch. I do post Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays as a rule at 8 PM UK time. So whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.